Hi friends, Mrs. Scott just read you a fabulous book called Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Hiccup. Have you ever had the hiccups? I have too. So today we are going to make a penguin. And I have uploaded this to your Google Classroom. If you have a printer, you can print it out. Parents, if you do not have a printer, that's okay. You can draw the pieces for your child to cut out. And some of these pieces are a little bit small for them. So if you wanted to cut the eyes out for them, or if they wanted to draw their own eyes, that would be okay too. So what we're working on with this piece is the coloring aspect of staying within the lines. My penguin is going to be purple and pink because I think those are fun colors. Doesn't have to be a black and white penguin at all. You can pick your own. And then we're also working on cutting skills. And some of these might be a little bit challenging for some of the friends, but they can just try their best. We can give them a bold line if we need to, and I'll show you all that as we go along. So the first thing we need to do is follow the instructions on the bottom. And it first says color. And if you can't read, there's a picture of a crayon. Okay, so I colored my big piece already. Now I'm going to color my smaller pieces. So when you're coloring, you want your arm on the table, and you're going to move at your wrist and move your fingers back and forth. We don't want the big motions and moving from your whole arm. So try and have them put their hand on the surface, the table, and move their wrist back and forth. You can also place your hand gently here to help facilitate this. And if they're really struggling with this, one of the things you can do is have them draw on a vertical surface. So I've got this little whiteboard here. And drawing on a vertical surface, it forces them to have their hand down and to strengthen their muscles. So I'm going back and forth to color my piece. And when they use smaller movements and smaller crayon strokes, they are more likely to be accurate and stay in the space. Might take a little bit longer, but that's okay because they're learning. I'm almost done with this piece. My penguin's going to be pink and purple.
Good morning. Please
What
excuse the
color is
interruption, but
your
recess will
penguin
be
going to be?
outside today. If you don't have a heavy jacket or you're missing a hat or some gloves and you would like some, you can come on down to the office and we do have some extras that we can provide. Thank you.
Wow, so many fabulous colors you guys are going to color your penguins. I'm almost done with mine. Okay. I'm going to leave my feet white, and I'm going to color my beak orange. All right. So next we're going to need scissors. So what I like to do when we have a piece of paper like this is cut the pieces off the paper. And parents, you can do this part for them. So then they have less extra paper to cut. So So when we cut circles, we're going to open the scissors wide, close, and turn. So to begin with, it's okay for them to turn their whole arm. That's the starting point. So they're going to turn. As they get stronger and as they learn more, they'll be able to turn it, the paper and the hand at the same time. There's one piece. You're going to cut out all the different pieces. And parents, like I said, the smaller pieces you can cut out for them. So we're going to open wide and turn our scissors, trying to stay on the line. If they're finding this difficult, one thing that you can do is take a highlighter or a marker, and you can provide a bold or highlighted line for them that's more visually, allows them to more visually attend to the line. So you can see I went around it. The parents cut off the piece off the paper for them, and then they can try and cut themselves. They just have to try their best. I forgot to cut out my bow tie. Alright, almost done. Next, we're going to need glue, because we are going to put our pieces together. And we have a little design in the corner that shows us how the pieces go. And when we put our pieces together, one thing that you can do is talk about the different positions that the pieces go in. Is it on top? Is it next to? Is it below? Under? Above? In the middle? These are all words that we use when we're writing our letters. So when you're working on different crafts and different activities in your home, these are really important words for them to learn so that they can understand when we're explaining how to write letters. So now we have all of our pieces cut out. We are going to look at the design of the penguin in the corner. And we are going to put it together. So we have to use the big piece first. So let's see, which is the biggest piece? Right, it's this one. Okay, so now we need, what piece is next? I'm going to do the circle of his belly. So which shape looks like a big circle? The two little circles are for his eyes. So now we need the big circle. That's right. So you put glue on the back of the circle. And does the circle go at the top of the body or the bottom of the body? That's right, it goes on the bottom of the body. Just like that. Okay. Next, let's do his wings, or his arms. They go on the sides of his body. Let's do the one that's an oval first. Can you find this piece? Good job. So is that piece in front of the body, like that, or is it behind the body? That's right, it's behind. So we're gonna put a little bit of glue on the front of the wing and then glue it behind the body. Now we've got the other wing, and the pointy part is up. Is this wing in front of the body or behind the body? It is behind. Good job. So we're going to put a little bit of glue on the front of the wing and put it on the other side of the body. Okay, next we're going to do eyes. So are the eyes above the belly or on the belly? That's right, they are above. So I'm going to put my glue on my penguin body because these two eyes are too small to put the glue on there. There are my eyes. Now look at our picture. Where are we going to put the nose? Is it going to go under the eyes or above the eyes? So will it go under the eyes or above the eyes? Yes, it goes under the eyes with the little pointy parts going down towards his belly. Okay, next is the bow tie. Now, does the bow tie need to go under the nose or does it need to go on the side? If you said under, you are correct. It goes under the nose at the top of the belly. Did I do it right? Is it under the nose on the top of the belly? I did. Okay, now we have our 2 feet. Our 2 feet go at the bottom of our penguin. And there's our cute little penguin. I hope you enjoyed this activity and you had some fun working on your different scissor skills and coloring skills and learning some new words. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.